The Taloel House, a creation of Zozaya Arquitectos, faced a unique challenge to accommodate a large family within a limited space while ensuring maximum comfort. This constraint became the guiding principle, shaping the project's compact and efficient two-story design. Situated in the warm and humid Pacific climate, the architects prioritized creating a haven from the elements. A prominent feature is the expansive, floating roof that extends outwards, offering generous shade and protection from the intense sunlight. Furthermore, the design emphasizes cross-ventilation. Strategic openings throughout the house allow for a constant flow of air, mitigating the effects of the tropical climate and enhancing the overall comfort of the living spaces. This bioclimatic approach aligns with sustainable design principles, minimizing the need for artificial cooling. The material palette reflects a conscious effort to harmonize with the surrounding environment. Ivory-toned plaster dominates the exterior, creating a serene and inviting facade. This light color scheme is further complemented by warm brown accents introduced through the use of locally sourced wood. This interplay of colors enhances the connection between the residence and the lush green landscape, creating a visually pleasing and harmonious composition. The construction of Taloel House showcases a blend of modern techniques and traditional craftsmanship. A robust masonry structure forms the foundation, while the use of brick walls adds a touch of rustic charm. The incorporation of a steel structure with wooden beams and hueso de coco, dried palm leaves, in the slab not only provides structural integrity but also pays homage to the region's rich architectural heritage. This thoughtful combination of materials demonstrates a respect for local traditions while embracing contemporary design principles. The interior spaces are designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The open floor plan encourages a sense of flow and connection between different living areas. Natural light filters through the carefully placed openings, illuminating the interiors and creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The use of local materials, such as wood and natural fibers, adds a touch of authenticity and warmth to the living spaces. Taloel House is more than just a dwelling, it's a testament to thoughtful design that responds to its specific context. By prioritizing efficiency, sustainability, and a strong connection to the local environment, the architects have created a truly unique and inspiring residence. The house serves as a model for contemporary tropical architecture, demonstrating that even in challenging conditions, it is possible to create a comfortable, stylish, and environmentally responsible living space. In conclusion, Taloel House stands as a successful example of how architectural design can seamlessly integrate with its surroundings while providing a high level of comfort and functionality for its inhabitants. The project's emphasis on efficiency, sustainability, and the use of local materials sets a positive precedent for future residential developments in tropical climates. This video has been a journey of exploration, and I hope it has sparked your curiosity. Remember, learning is a lifelong adventure. If you found this information valuable, please share it with others and subscribe for more insightful content. Your support helps me create more videos like this. Thank you for watching.